old prepare to be destroyed by Buttspot. Swag.
So what, he's gonna me?
No.
Oh, acid? Incendiary!
Colton kick! Yeah!
We're gonna be able to play lots of golf and spend time with the grandkids.
I don't have grandkids.
Well, now's your chance to get some.
I'm Amy Rose, and I'll be auditioning for the part of...
Knuckles Jr.
Amy, I know who you are.
Oh, and under special skills, you can add juggling and singing.
Circus!
Oh, improv! I love improv.
Hey everybody, I'm Peanut Butter Gamer.
Who juggles and sings?
I see my friends.
Okay. Last question.
What the fuck was that?
You both. All right. Being my sidekick is.
I didn't even bring any weapons. Here, check my pants.
That's no good.
Guys, we have to him. Communication problem. He me with a pillow. Hard. I'm dizzy, and I have serious short-term memory loss. 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 And I have serious...
As an excuse to live with you and tire you to the point of exhaust.
Crush, kill, destroy, swag. Crush, kill, destroy.
Hey, fellas, as you know...